What if I told you that your retirement is about to get a massive upgrade? Imagine waking up one day to find an extra $3,600 in your bank account. Not just once, but every single month. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, pinch yourself because this dream is about to become a reality for millions of Canadian retirees. In the next hour or so, I'm going to take you on a journey through the biggest shakeup in Canadian retirement benefits in decades. We're talking about a game-changing announcement from the Canada Revenue Agency that's set to redefine what it means to retire in Canada. This isn't just news. It's a financial revolution that could mean the difference between just getting by and truly thriving in your golden years. Whether you're already retired, nearing retirement, or just starting to think about your future, this information is crucial for every Canadian. So grab a comfortable seat, maybe a notepad, and prepare to discover how you could be on the receiving end of an additional $2,300 in guaranteed income supplement and $1,300 in Canada pension plan payments every month. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be looking at your retirement in a whole new light. Welcome back to Seniors Money, your ultimate destination for all things retirement and finance in Canada. I'm your host, Michael, and I've been helping seniors navigate the complex world of retirement finance for over 2 decades. Today's video is possibly the most important one I've ever made. We're going to dissect, analyze, and understand a recent announcement from the CRA that's about to change everything for Canadian retirees. So settle in and let's embark on this financial journey together. Your future self will thank you for watching until the very end. Let's start by breaking down this groundbreaking announcement from the Canada Revenue Agency. The CRA has recently unveiled a double payment system that's set to revolutionize retirement in Canada. We're talking about a combined boost in both the Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS, and the Canada Pension Plan, CPP. Now, I know what you're thinking. Michael, what does this mean for me? Well, let me break it down for you in simple terms. The GIS payment is set to increase to approximately $2,300 per month, while the CPP is getting a boost to around $1,300 per month. That's a total of $3,600 hitting your bank account every single month. But here's the kicker. This isn't just a one-time thing. This is a monthly occurrence that's going to provide long-term financial stability for retirees across the country. It's like getting a substantial raise in your retirement, and who doesn't love that idea? Let's put this into perspective. The current maximum monthly payment for GS as of 2023 is about $1,026.96 for a single person. With this new change, we're looking at more than doubling that amount. For CPP, the current maximum monthly payment, as of 2023, is $1,306.57. While the increase here isn't as dramatic as the GS boost, it's still a significant bump that will make a real difference in retirees' lives. Now, you might be wondering, why is the government doing this? Well, there are several factors at play. Rising cost of living. We've all felt the pinch of inflation lately. Groceries, housing, healthcare, everything seems to be getting more expensive. The government recognizes that seniors on fixed incomes are particularly vulnerable to these rising costs. Aging population. Canada's population is aging. By 2030, it's estimated that nearly a quarter of Canadians will be over 65. This demographic shift means more people relying on retirement benefits, and the government needs to ensure the system can support this growing group. Pandemic impact. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed and exacerbated many financial vulnerabilities, particularly among seniors. This increase can be seen as part of the ongoing effort to provide economic support in the wake of the pandemic. Commitment to poverty reduction. The Canadian government has long been committed to reducing poverty among seniors. This significant boost to GS in particular is a strong move in that direction. Economic stimulation. Putting more money in the hands of retirees isn't just good for seniors, it's good for the economy. Retirees tend to spend locally, which can help stimulate economic growth across the country. It's important to note that while this announcement is groundbreaking, the implementation won't happen overnight. There will likely be a phased approach to rolling out these increases. The exact timeline hasn't been released yet, but I'll make sure to keep you updated as more information becomes available. Also, keep in mind that while these numbers, $2,300 for GS and $1,300 for CPP, represent the maximum payments, not everyone will receive these exact amounts. The actual amount you receive will depend on various factors, which we'll dive into later in this video. Now I can almost hear some of you saying, This sounds too good to be true. I get it. We've all heard big promises before. But this isn't just another political promise. This is a concrete plan backed by budget allocations and policy changes. It's real, it's happening, and it's going to make a significant difference in the lives of millions of Canadian retirees. In the next sections, we'll break down who qualifies for these increases, how they'll be implemented, and what it means for your overall retirement strategy. But before we do that, I want to emphasize something. This change is a big deal. It's the kind of policy shift that comes along once in a generation. So even if retirement seems far off for you, or if you're helping a parent or grandparent plan for retirement, pay close attention. The information we're about to cover could be the key to a more secure, more comfortable retirement for you or your loved ones. Now that we've covered the basics of this monumental announcement, let's dive into the all-important question. Who qualifies for these increased payments? This is crucial information, so grab a pen and paper if you need to take notes. The CPP has been undergoing a gradual enhancement since 2019. This enhancement is designed to increase the maximum CPP retirement pension by about 50% for those who contribute for 40 years. This process is ongoing and will be fully implemented by 2065. The newly announced increase might be on top of this ongoing enhancement, which could mean a significant boost for many CPP recipients. But here's the key point. Whether you're receiving the maximum payment or not, this increase will be proportional to your current CPP payment. So if you're currently receiving half of the maximum, you'll likely receive half of the new maximum after the increase is implemented. Now, you might be wondering, what if I'm receiving both GIS and CPP? That's an excellent question. Many Canadian seniors do receive both, and yes, you can potentially benefit from both increases. However, it's important to remember that your GIS payment may be affected by your CPP income. As your CPP income increases, your GIS payment might decrease. But don't worry, the net effect should still be positive, meaning you'll end up with more money overall. Well, there you have it, folks. We've taken a deep dive into this groundbreaking announcement from the CRA, exploring how the increases to both GIS and CPP could revolutionize retirement for millions of Canadians. Let's quickly recap the key points. The GIS could increase to up to $2,300 per month, while CPP could rise to around $1,300 per month. These increases could significantly improve the financial security and quality of life for Canadian retirees. While the changes are overwhelmingly positive, it's important to understand how they might affect your individual situation. Stay informed about the implementation timeline and any updates from the CRA and Certis Canada. Remember, while these changes are exciting, they don't replace the need for personal financial planning. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to understand how these changes fit into your overall retirement strategy. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Money for more updates on retirement finance and tips to make your golden years truly golden. Got questions or thoughts about these changes? Drop them in the comments below. I read every comment and might address your questions in a future video. This is Michael, thanking you for watching. And remember, it's never too late to secure your financial future. Stay informed, stay prepared, and here's to a brighter retirement for all Canadians.